Harbor is a POP display manufacturer, been around for over 70 years, specializing in retail displays and fixtures, serving all kinds of industries from home appliance through tobacco and anywhere in the CPG market, really. We've been looking for a 3D printer for a while, trying to find the one that meets our needs the best, and through comprehensive research, vetting several different vendors, Scarlett and 3D Systems ended up being the one that fit our needs. Great customer service and hit our price point. So. Projet MJP 2500. Biggest concern was we didn't know what we were getting into. We didn't know how to use it, how easy it would be, if we had to have any kind of specially trained people or anything like that. I think those were probably that, and we were worried about the cost, I think, initially. Cost of ownership. Through the vetting process, we learned the cost of ownership was, with this particular printer, was very low. So that was our biggest concern, and that ended up being put to ease almost immediately. And then through the training today, anybody that works in the shop or engineering can run this. It's pretty intuitive. So I would say do your research, but definitely talk to 3D Printed Systems and Scarlett. They did a good job putting our concerns to ease, and it's way more intuitive than you would think. It's as easy as printing a Word document. So, no, excited to get started.